Need more control for internal stock moves? Master the two-step stock transfer in SAP S/4HANA. Hey, SAP Logistics and MM professional. While the one-step stock transfer is great for quick move within a plant, what about scenario where you need better visibility, physical separation, or a more controlled process? That's where the two-step stock transfer in SAP S/4HANA comes in. This process is designed to provide a clearer audit trail and interim status for material moving between storage locations within the same plant. It breaks the movement into two distinct trackable steps. Step one, removal from storage location. You move the stock out of the source storage location to an in-transit or stock transfer statute location. The system records that the stock has left the source but hasn't yet arrived at the final destination. Step two, placing into storage location. On the material physically arrives, you complete the storage by moving the stock from the in-transit statute location into the final destination storage location. Both steps are typically executing using the same theory hub like transfer stock in plant and are common tasks for a warehouse clerk. The key benefit, you gain a better control and visibility during the entire transfer process, reducing the risk of lost or uh, unaccounted for stock during internal movement. So log on to ASAP Fiori Notepad as a warehouse clerk. The ASAP Fiori Launchpad display. Access the app, open transfer stock in plant. Like this, transfer stock in plant. The transfer stock screen display. Open stock overview. Enter the following data in the appropriate field, material and plant. Plant and your material. Select Transfer from stock. Select the icon beside the unrestricted stock or blocked stock or quality stock in storage location that you want to transfer from. So I want to transfer from this. I click on the icon. The icon change. Highlight it right now. Okay. Select transfer to stock. Select the icon right on the column stock transfer storage location in storage location that you want to transfer. For example, I want to transfer stock transfer. So here, stock transfer. A dialog box opens. Storage location and stock type are selected according to your entry in the previous step. I can do that like this. I'll show you, highlight, I select, for example, one kilogram. One. Enter the quantity that you want to transfer, one pieces. Choose post, the post. Okay. A material document is created. The system displays the message material document created. The stock is transferred from unrestricted stock in the storage location for transfer. Stock transfer. The stock is in transit. Right now, the product arrives at the destination. Right now, select transfer from stock, select the icon right again from the stock transfer. I click again. It's always the same things. The icon change. Select transfer to stock. Select the icon beside the unrestricted stock in storage location that you want to transfer to storage location. So right now I want to move in, for example, subcontracting. I click on. Transfer stock, enter the quantity that you want to transfer, for example 1 kilogram. And choose post. Again, a material document is created. The system displays a message material document created, and the stock is transferred from stock transfer to unrestricted stock. So, very simple. I show you quickly. I take it. I move in my stock transfer, 1 paces or 2 paces. I click on post, OK, and I select unrestricted stock. Sorry, I select from, I select to, I select the quantity, I click on post. I just want to be sure, transfer in plant, transit, display stock in transit, AC material, stock transfer order, cross company. So you see, you don't see this information because stock in transit is about PSTO, for example. So to follow, I show you all the application, transit, overdue material stock in transit. Again, the difference is with stock in transit, you need a purchase order. For transfer in plant, you used a stock transfer. That is the difference. Stock transfer, stock in transit. Even if you're stock in transit, you follow this in stock transfer. So thank you so much. See you later.